How to add caption in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page. Make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Next, right-click just above your video in the timeline and select the option to add a subtitle track. This will create a dedicated track for captions. Once the track is added, click on it and go to the Inspector tab in the top right corner. Now, select the Create Caption option. Your first caption will be added to the track. Type your caption text in the text box. Then, click on the Track tab to adjust the font style, color, size, and other settings. To add the next caption, move the playhead to the right time in the video. Click the Add New button from the Caption tab to insert another caption. You can adjust the duration of each caption by dragging its edges in the timeline. Play the video to check if the captions appear at the right time. You can also add captions using the Effects panel. Go to the top left, click on Effects, and then select Titles from the sidebar. Look for text and drag it to a new track above your video where you want the caption. Click on the text layer in the timeline. In the Inspector panel, type your caption in the text box. Adjust the font, size, color, and position as needed. Most captions work best at the bottom center. Drag the edges of the text clip to match the timing. To add more captions, copy and paste the text layer and change the text. And that's it. Now you know how to add caption in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.